Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening either the settings or the themes, it's up to you, I prefer the settings. And here let's tap on wallpaper. And right here we've got some albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from, the static wallpapers or the system wallpapers which are pre-installed. Here we've got some which we can apply if we've got the internet connection, and the same here, online wallpapers. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see you will be transferred to beautiful options from which you can choose. So I highly recommend to check those and simply tap on it if you like it. As you can see, after tapping on a specific wallpaper, you will be transferred to more options which are pretty similar to the one you've tapped on, and then tap on it if you want to check it. As you can see, you can change kind of the position of the wallpaper, and then tap on apply if you're happy with your choice. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so the lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it, and now we can go back. Let's wait a second, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.